Hi, this is my first assignment in CCBB 4.0. The assignment is on Jeff Bezos. He was the Amazon founder and he is one of the richest, not one of the one richest man in the world. And I want to tell few failures of Jeff Bezos. The first one is Amazon Fire Phone. Amazon Fire Phone was invented in the year 2014 June 18, and it was failed due to some reasons. People are not interested to buy the mobile at because of high price, and they are not look good. They are not easy or comforted to use. So because of these problems, it was shut down in the year 2015 September 10, and it is one of the failure of Jeff Bezos. And the second one is Pets.com was started in the year of 1998 November. The main theme of this is to provide pet products like food of the pets and other things which are needed for the pets. Because of some reasons, people are not interested and not comfortable to buy from that app. And within the 2 years, in 2000 November, it was shut down. So this is the second Jeff Bezos failure, and the third failure is Amazon destination. It was started in the year of 2015 April, and it was not interested for the people to travel in that Amazon destination app. The main theme of this destination app is like booking from one area to one place. uh, People are not interested, are not comfortable with that Amazon destination, and within the 2 months, October 2015, it was stopped because for many reasons bookings are not there in Amazon destination app. The fourth one is Cosmo.com, which was started in the year 1997. The main theme of this is to food or DVD players, etc., which are daily uses for the men. With the theme is they should deliver within a hour without any extra charges. Because of this, they got lost and they shut down very fastly of this app. The fifth one is Assemble.com, which was started in the year 2011. The main theme of this is to know the information from the app, which is like Google, Yahoo. We can ask any doubts or inquiries from this app. The people are not comfortable. They did not had certain amount of concept or theme to answer for the people questions. Because of this, they have stopped in the year 2013. So these are the main five failures of Jeff Bezos, who is the founder of Amazon. So by this, what should I tell is failures are not only one. From the failures we should learn something, and we should make our life very good. The best failure is he got I think divorced from his wife. So why, I don't know the reason. Okay, thank you.